Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your JotForm account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove your Google Sheet from your JotForm account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your Google Sheets from your JotForm anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're collecting your emails through JotForm and sending it over to a Google Sheets, it's a good way to start, but sometimes it can be overwhelming. So maybe you're using a new CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your JotForm account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my JotForm, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove your Google Sheets from your JotForm, it's going to be handled at the form level. It's not handled on the account level. So you're going to click here on the left on all forms. Once you do that, you will see all of your JotForms. You can see I have these two. Once you've chosen the JotForm you want to remove Google Sheets from, just hover over it and it's going to turn purple. You'll also see these three options here on the right. Click on edit form. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your JotForm. And in order to remove Google Sheets, you're going to click on settings here on the top center. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you're going to click on integrations. It looks like a puzzle icon. Okay, once you do that, you should see the Google Sheets logo with a green check mark next to it. If you don't see this, you're going to click on the search bar and just type in Google Sheets, and it should pop up. Just click on Google Sheets. Okay, here you can see my JotForm is sending data into this one particular spreadsheet. And in order to remove this, you're going to click on these three dots here to the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on delete action. Okay, once you do that, you'll see this pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete your Google Sheets integration. If so, click on yes, delete. It's in red. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Google Sheets has been removed from this JotForm. So anytime somebody submits to this particular JotForm, it will not send to that Google Sheet unless I re-add it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove Google Sheets from your JotForm, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.